In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a printable monthly calendar in Google Slides. Let's jump right in and get your calendar set up from scratch. Start by clicking Blank Presentation in the Start a New Presentation area to open a fresh deck. Once it loads, move your cursor up to the top left corner and click Untitled Presentation. Type the name you want to use for your calendar file, then press Enter to save the title. Next, head over to the toolbar and click Layout. From the Layout menu that opens, click Blank so you have a clean slide to work on. Now we need to resize the slide to match a landscape page. Click File in the top menu, and from the File menu, click Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, click the current slide size dropdown. Then choose Custom from the drop-down options. Click into the first size field and type 11. Then click the second size field and type 8.5. Click the Unit drop-down and select Inches. Once everything is set, click OK to apply the new dimensions. With your slide ready, click Insert in the top menu. Hover over Table in the Insert menu so the grid appears. In the Table grid, choose a table that is 7 columns wide and 7 rows tall. Once the table appears, drag it by its border so it sits near the upper left of the slide. Then grab the bottom right table handle and drag it outward until the table fills most of the slide, leaving a small margin on all sides. Now we'll set up the header. Drag across the entire first row of the table to select all 7 cells. Right-click the selected first row, and from the menu, click Merge Cells so they become a single bar across the top. Click into that merged cell and type the title of the month you prefer. With the title still selected, click Center Align in the toolbar, then click Bold to make it stand out. After that, click Fill Color in the toolbar and choose a color you want to use for the header background. Next, click the first cell in the second row. Type the weekday labels, pressing Tab after each label to move across the row. Start with Sunday, then Tab and type Monday. Tab again and type Tuesday, then Tab and type Wednesday. Tab once more and type Thursday, followed by Friday, and finally Saturday in the last cell. Drag across the second row to select all of the weekday labels. Click Bold in the toolbar to thicken the text, then click Center Align so each label sits nicely in the middle of its cell. Now we'll fill in the dates, week by week. Click the cell under Monday in the first date row. Type the first week of dates, pressing Tab after each number to jump to the next cell. Once that row is done, click the first cell under Sunday in the next row. Type the second week of dates, again pressing Tab after each number so the entries flow across the row. Click the first cell under Sunday in the next row, then type the third week of dates, pressing Tab after each number. Move down to the next row, click the first cell under Sunday, and type the fourth week of dates, pressing Tab after each number as you go. Finally, click the first cell under Sunday in the last row, and type the final June dates, pressing Tab after each number until the calendar is complete. With every date in place, drag over the date cells from the row containing 1 all the way down through the row containing 30. Click Center Align in the toolbar so every number is centered inside its cell. If the weekday row looks taller than you'd like, drag the grid line directly beneath it upward to make it shorter. Then drag the horizontal grid lines in the date area until the date rows are evenly spaced from top to bottom. To finish, check the calendar and Print Preview. Click File in the top menu, then click Print Settings and Preview. Confirm that the calendar fills one landscape slide in the preview, and your printable monthly calendar in Google Slides is ready to go.